Hello, this is March 26th, and this is Calculus 2. I have been asked to do a chain problem. Okay, suppose we need to lift a 300 kilogram cow up 12 meters using a chain that weighs 50 kilograms. How much work is this? Now, we separate it into two different parts, okay? We have to lift the cow, and we have to lift the chain. The cow is the easy part. The cow is going up 12 meters. The cow weighs 300 kilograms. If we multiply that by the force of gravity, 9.8 meters per second squared, and times 12 meters, we get 300 times 9.8 times 12, which is 300 times 9.8 times 12, which is 35,280. 35,280, and a kilogram meter squared per second squared is the units of work. Happens to be the same thing as energy. You even see the mass times m equals mc squared, right? Mass times the velocity, meters per second squared. It's known as a joule. Excellent, excellent. Now that's most of the work. Now, because we're fussy people, we say, well, the thing about the chain is that the chain weighs 50 kilograms as you first start lifting, but as you pull in the chain, the weight of the chain gets less and less and less. And following the notes, which I'm pretty sure is right, this formula right here, we lift the length 9.8 times d times x. Now the d is the density, and if the 12 meter chain weighs 50 kilograms, it's going to be, why did I do this? 50 divided by 12 kilograms per meter. And so then the work, that's the work over there. So the work is going to be, we integrate from 0 to 12 of the 50 over 12 times the 9.8 times x. X is the distance you have to lift up. In other words, what we're saying is when x is 0, the weight is 0. That's the no chain at the very top. When x is very small, you just the part that's only being raised up a little bit is that first few centimeters of chain. The very bottom, down when it's 12, that's the bottom of the chain lifting up the whole distance. Anyway, this turns out to be pretty easy. 50 times 9.8 all over 12. X squared over 2, we plug in 0, we plug in 12, plugging in 0 is not going to do anything. Plug in 12, 12 squared is 144, divided by 7 is 72, so 50 times 9.8 over 12 times 72 joules. And then you just add these together, and you get, I'm not going to do it right now, the total amount of work done.